Let's see how to create a poll in Facebook in this video tutorial. First, let's create a poll on Facebook profile page. Here, we do not have the option of creating a poll on the profile for some reason. Seems like Facebook has deprecated the poll option from Facebook profile. Let's see the same on Facebook pages, if the option for creating a poll exists on it. And here on Facebook page 2, there is no poll option. And the last option is groups. Let's try if we can create polls in Facebook groups. And here we have the option of creating the poll. So let's create one in this Facebook group. Let's try a basic 3-option poll. And done. And confirm its visibility in the Facebook group. We can create polls only in Facebook groups and not the Facebook profile and pages. With this, we have come to the end of this video tutorial. Please like and share, and also comment on the video if it was helpful. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more video updates. Thank you.